Good morning, my grade 4 pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
Before we take our seat, can you arrange your chairs and pick up if there are dirt on the floor? Did you see it? Okay, before we start our lesson, our topic for today, let me present to you our classroom rules, which is the word grow, wherein G stands for give your best. When you recite or when you do your activities, you must do your best. You must give your best. And R stands for you must respect everyone. When teacher is talking, you listen, and then when your classmates are reciting, you listen also. You keep quiet. And for letter O, observe safety. When you are doing your activity, don't play with your pens or don't pagtusukin ang iyong mga kaklase gamit ang pencil or pen. And lastly, work together. When you are given a task, you must cooperate, you must help each other. Okay? So, last meeting, we discussed about that. What is our topic last meeting? Yes, Natasha? Life cycle of crop. Very good. Okay, I have here a diagram of the life cycle of a crop. Is this the proper stage of the life cycle of a crop?
No, teacher.
Since this is not on the right sequence, I want you to arrange it one by one. Who wants to try the first one?
Teacher.
Yes, Hanilu. Very good, Hanilu. Does the life cycle of frog starts with an egg?
Yes, teacher.
Good, okay. Who wants to try the next one? Yes, Natasha. Tama ba ang sagot ni Natasha? Tama. Yung pangalawang stage ng life cycle of a frog is adulthood. Who wants to try the next one? Yes, Geraldine. Tama na ba ang life cycle ng frog na ito?
Yes, teacher.
Kung gayon, bigyan natin ng palakpak ang ating mga sarili. Ngayon naman, we will be having an activity called Buzz and Guess, wherein I will give you a puzzle and you're going to assemble the words below to come up with the correct answer. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
For number 1, I buzz around at night and I like to bite. Who am I? Who wants to try? Yes, Iris.
Teacher, mosquito.
Let's check if your answer is correct. Mosquito is correct. Very good, Iris. Okay? The next one is, who wants to read it? Yes, Geraldine.
I crawl on the floor. People don't like me near the door.
Would you mind to answer it? Approach. Tama kaya? Tama. Okay? Who wants to try the third one? Yes, Amelia.
I started as a caterpillar, but later had a wings much bigger. Who am I? Teacher butterfly.
Tama kaya?
Yes, teacher.
Tignan natin. Tama. Butterfly. It's a butterfly. And last, who want to try it? Anilu.
I am tiny and small. People just call me a little dog. Who am I? Bugs Bunny.
Let's check it. Yes, that's correct. It's a bug. So based from our activity, what do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Natasha.
Teacher is about the insect.
Oh, insect. Do you think it's all about insect?
I think so. We think so.
Yes, your guess are right. Today we're going to learn about insects, specifically butterfly and its life cycle. But before that, let me present to you our objectives for today. First, you must explain at the end of the lesson. You are able to explain in your own words the changes that happen in each stage of the butterfly's life cycle. For the second one, show appreciation by expressing how butterflies contribute to pollination and biodiversity. And lastly, you will be able to demonstrate through movement or role play the transformation stages of a butterfly. Did you enjoy our previous activity class?
Yes, teacher.
Ngayon naman, magkakaroon tayo ng group activity wherein I will group you into 4. What you're going to do is to assemble the pictures that I will give you. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
For group 1, it's from Natasha to Geraldine. Group 2, Hanino to Iris. And group 3, from Amelia to Anna. And for group 4, from Prisha to Ben. You may now go to your respective group as I will distribute to you of your work. I will give you 10 minutes to do your task. Remember to give your best when you do your activity and work together. If you are done, please be quiet and let's wait for the other group to finish their work. That's correct. napansin mo sa picture na yan?
Teacher, the color of the caterpillar is stripe.
Yes, it's beautiful, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. No, don't be scared. That's a beautiful creature. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Let's give the group 2 a round of applause also. May I call on the group 3?
Teacher, it is a cocoon and nakasabi siya sa isang branch.
Yes. What's the color of that?
Green, teacher.
Green. Okay. That's the observation of the group 3. Let's give them a round of applause. And for the last group,
Teacher, it's a butterfly.
the butterfly. What's the color of the butterfly?
Butterfly is like the color of the caterpillar center.
Oh, very good. Nice observation. Okay, to check if the picture that you have arranged is correct, let's see. For the group 1, pakipakita nga ang picture na inassemble nyo. Tama ba? Pareho ba?
Yes, teacher.
And for the group 2, kindly show your picture, the picture that you have arranged. Tama ba? Pareho ba sa nasa screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, for the group 3, tama rin ba? Pareho ba?
Yes, teacher.
And for the group 4, tama rin ba? Parehas ba?
Yes, teacher.
Tama, palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. So today we're going to learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. But before that, I'm going to present the terminologies that we might encounter during our discussion. First is a cycle. Class, can you read what is a cycle?
A cycle is something that goes around and happens again and again in the same order. This is also called metamorphosis.
Okay, a cycle is something that goes around and happens again and again at the same order. We also call this metamorphosis. Class, can you say the word metamorphosis?
Metamorphosis.
Okay, that's metamorphosis. Just like the life cycle of the people. The frog, it starts with an egg, tadpole, froglet, and adult. But it doesn't stop with the adult stage. Because the adult frog will lay an egg again and the cycle will continue. The next one is larva. Do you know what is larva, class? Ano napapanood mong larva? Ano yung tungkol saan yung larva na yun? Oo, napanood mo rin yun, Trisha? Maganda ba yun? Oo, nakakatawa. Ikaw, Amelia, alam mo ba kung ano ang larva? Okay, since hindi alam ni Amelia kung ano ang larva, let's read the definition of a larva. Kindly read it, class.
The immature, wingless, and often worm-like feeding form that hatches from the egg of many insects.
So, larva is, it is an immature wingless na gaya ng sinabi ni Natasha na para siyang uod na kumakain ng, anong kinakain ng larva? Dahon. Dahon ng ano? Tama, dahon ng mga halaman. And lastly, the chrysalis. Do you know what is a chrysalis, class? Therefore, basahin natin ang definition niya. 1, 2, 3, go!
A moth or butterfly at the stage of growth. It is turned into an adult and is enclosed in a hard case, also called as pupa.
Sa mga pinakita niyo picture kanina, saan kaya yun ang chrysalis? Oo, tama. Yung inassemble And this can be late from spring, summer, or fall. Alam niyo kung ano ang spring? Yes. These are types of weather. Ganun din sa summer and sa fall. May fall ba dito sa Philippines?
Wala. November, teacher.
Yes, tama. Summer, meron na tayong summer dito sa Philippines?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, we have summer. Anong month yung summer natin dito sa Philippines?
March to May, teacher.
Tama, from March to May. And itong mga eggs, they are hatched in 4 to 5 days, while others may take as long as 3 weeks. Itong mga butterfly eggs na ito, pwede mag-hatch within 4 to 5 days. And ang mga ibang klase ng butterfly eggs ay pwede mag-hatch from 3 and up to 3 weeks. And literally have class. Yes?
Teacher, yung 200 eggs na ito, nakahatch pa siya.
Pwede ang mga iba, hindi. Ang mga iba naman ay oo. Klaro na ba, Natasha? Okay, let's move on to caterpillar. This is called the feeding stage. Pagkita-kita nga kung saan ang caterpillar.
Teacher.
One, that's caterpillar. Itong stage ng butterfly is it lasts from 10 to 14 days after hatching. Alam niyo ba kapag nag-hatch ang mga caterpillar ay ang una nilang kinakain ay yung egg. Kinakain nila. Ganun din sa, parang doon sa frog. Kinakain nila yung shell nila. Yun. Tapos, kapag sa 10 to 14 days na ito, ang caterpillar ay lumalaki from about 100 times its birth size. So, kung ganito kaliit ang butterfly, ay caterpillar lalaki yan up to 100 times. Ganun, kalaki ang butterfly kapag siya ay nagiging adult na. And ang ginagawa ng caterpillar na ito ay ang kumain. Kumakain din kayo?
Yes, teacher.
Din, kumakain din ako. Kanin, gulay, vegetable. Ikaw rin?
Yes, kumakain ako ng fruits, teacher.
Very good. Masustansya ang butas para sa ating katawan. Okay? Okay na ay guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, tumakas naman tayo sa pangatlong stage. Ito ay yung pupa. This is also called chrysalis. This stage can last for a few weeks, a month, or even longer. Some species have pupal stage that lasts for 2 years. Itong mga pupa na ito, pwede silang magtagal ng up to weeks or months or even longer. Ang ibang pupa ay naglalas for up to 2 years bago sila mag-hatch, bago lalabas ang ano kaya lalabas ang pupa na ito? Butterfly. Okay? The pupa of many moths is protected inside a cocoon of silk. Sabi ni Amelia kanina, cocoon, tama yun. And lastly, the fourth stage, which is the adult. Pakibasa nga class.
Most adult butterflies live only 1 or 2 weeks, but some species hibernate during the winter and may live several months.
So, ang butterfly daw, itong mga adult butterfly, they only live for 2 weeks. Ang saklang naman nun guys, no? Class, no?
Yes, teacher.
Matagal sila mabubuhay, pero matagal ang proseso ng kanilang paglaki, pero they only live for 2 weeks. Pero ang ibang butterfly ay natutulog sila during winter para mabuhay sila ng mas matagal. Naiintindihan class?
Yes, teacher.
Para matukoy ko kung talagang naiintindihan And the last one is okay, ngayon para mas maintindihan natin at mas master natin ang ating topic, I want you to label them. Who wants to try the first one? The next one is Iris and Natasha and Jaira. Okay. Ngayon, ganito ang life cycle ng butterfly. It starts with egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. Sabihin niyo, mag-iisa ba dito sa adult stage? No, teacher. Yes, because the adult butterfly will lay an egg again. Naintindihan niyo ba ang ating aralin?
Yes, teacher.
Ngayon naman, magkakaroon tayo ng group activity. Wherein you will stay with the same group you had a while ago. For group 1, you're going to match column A with the correct description in column B and the facts in column C. And for group 2, make a slogan that shows your appreciation for the importance of butterflies in the environment. And for group 3, create a 2 to 3 stanza song about what will happen to the environment if there are no butterflies. And for the last group, you will make a short skit about the transformation of a butterfly from egg to adult. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
And for our rubrics, I will give you score based from these rubrics. For the content, I will give you 10 points if you got it correct. If the correctness of your word is, if your word is correct. And cooperation, kung nakita ko nag-cooperate kayong lahat, I will give you a score of 3. Time management, 2 points, and presentation for 5 points, with a total of 20 points. And I will give you 10 minutes to do the task. Did you enjoy your group activity, class?
Yes, teacher.
Great, therefore let's give ourselves a round of applause. Let's sum it up. I have here a table called Bintana ng Pag-unawa, wherein you're going to fill those tables and give your answers. Realization. Ang dami niyong mga natutunan na dapat ninyong isaalang-alang sa araw na ito about our lesson. Who wants to answer? Who wants to share their ideas? Yes, Natasha?
Sir, dapat mamaalala and yung new knowledge na nalaman ko is yung egg has 200 and 500 butterfly, which is yung butterfly is nakaka-help sa environment. So, kailangan natin alagaan yun para mas matulungan pa tayo ng butterfly sa environment.
Tama. Palakpakan natin si Natasha. May gusto pa bang dumagdag na idea? So, wala. Dumako naman tayo sa emotion. These are thoughts and feelings in response to the knowledge you gain. Ano ang iyong reaction? Yes, Iris?
Teacher, ang reaction ko po ay na-amaze and
Paano nakakita mo nga kung paano na-amaze? Oo, ganun ka ma-amaze si Iris.
na-amaze ako kasi yun nga, nalaman ko na may 250 to 500 150 pala na egg ang caterpillar na magiging butterfly po. And nalungkot ako kasi yung butterfly is mabubuhay lang pala sila ng 2 weeks. 2 weeks lang pala yung lifespan po nila.
Tama, nakinig si Iris. And maganda rin ang kanyang ideya. For the integration, paano ninyo i-connect ang inyong ang ating napag-aralan ngayon in your daily lives? Yes, Amelia? Yes, Jaira?
Teacher, kapag makakita ka ng butterfly sa paligid, tutupin mo natin sila patayin at hamalagaan natin sila.
Tama ang sabi ni Jaira. Kailangan natin, kung nakikita tayo ng butterfly, anong gagawin natin?
Protect teacher at alagaan.
Alagaan. Huwag natin patayin. And for the action, Amelia, since hindi ka nagtataas ng kamay kanina, ano ang action na iyong gagawin since nalaman natin na ang butterfly ay nakakatulong sa pollination ng mga halaman?
Teacher, pag nakakita ng butterfly is alagaan sila at huwag natin silang patayin, teacher.
Yes, tama. Ikaw, Natasha, may ideya ka pa ba? Awan, okay. Ang isa rin sa mga dapat natin gawin ay we must plant more flowers para doon titira ang ating mga butterflies. Intindihan, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Ngayon, nakita ko naman naiintindihan nyo nga ang ating lesson, we will have a me time mission. Anong gagawin niya sa me time mission? Teacher will give you an activity wherein you will do it individually. Note class that this activity is an individual activity. I will give you an activity wherein you're going to encircle the correct answer of the following questions. I will give you 5 minutes to do the task. Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, kindly submit your paper by passing the paper to the person in front of you. For your assignment, you are going to do the task, take it home task. Wherein you're going to take pictures of the butterfly that you saw in your garden, in your way home, or in your garden, in the flowers at home. And you're going to make a collage out of it. You're going to put it on a short bond paper and submit it next meeting. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.